what's up guys? Sonya Looney here, and I got my brand new Scott Big Ed Fatbike. Scott is my new frame sponsor this year. So I'm pretty excited to check out their fat bike as it's snowing outside as we speak. But I wanted to save the unboxing part and the assembly for you guys. So I've already kind of pulled open the box, but I haven't pulled anything out yet. So here we go. This is the biggest bike box I think I've ever seen officially. It's about 30% bigger than all the other ones. Alright, so the wheel, make more of a cardboard mess with the recycling guy. It's nice, it came with the rotors, came pretty much pre-assembled, so it's not a lot of work for me to do, which I like. Now, I'm wondering if these come with tubes. I'm guessing they come with tubes. You can actually set up your fat bike tubeless. So on my other fat bike I had wheels that were set up tubeless. So I think I'm definitely going to be doing that with this one as well. This bike's kind of fun because everything is matchy-matchy. Usually my bikes come in all different pieces from all different sponsors, so the colors don't all match. But with this guy, it looks like they do.